Hello there, you wonderful person. I am Gareth Mason. It's uh, Friday, I think. Yeah, it is Friday. June 6th. Friday, June 6th. It's exactly 10:26 in the PM. And I was gonna go to bed now. But then I remembered, oh shit, I gotta record this. So, the daily vlog, right? All right, so let's just go quickly because I want to go to bed. Um, Today, yeah, I just did nothing. I pretty much did nothing. I helped my mother in the kitchen, move counter around in the fridge. um, I'm still a little hoarse, as you can hear, but I'm fine-ish. Just coughing so much, so much. Yeah, somebody is supposed to come here to help us clean the house tomorrow, so I'm excited about that. Yeah, I played a little bit of Witcher 3. I have plans with my girl this weekend. Because it's our 1 year anniversary from it's been 1 year we've been dating. Yeah. And yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed. Gotta take my medicine and I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.